Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Thursday 21 of July. Alright, so it's been a while I haven't talked about Solana. I think it's the time to actually bring back the Solana updates as well. Now at the moment we do have three black cross at the moment. The red candles back to back signifies and indicates that a trend is going to continue to go even way more lower. So I'm expecting that Solana is going to come down to this level and lose 39.61 as well. Just want to dive into the daily and see what kind of stories that we do have here printed out on the daily, right? So we do have some sort of a bearish engulfing candlestick right over there, and quickly right off the bat, it's important for Solana to cross $44.82 and backtest and hold $45 and then move even higher. So if you're not going to cross this level at the moment, then I don't think Solana is interested to continue to go higher. Okay, now the thing is, we do have this trend line coming into play as well, so I'm actually going to extend that with the wicks a little bit. So at the moment what I'm going to say is there could be a chance of actually dropping down to $39, 39.21, and probably that's where you're looking to back testing. So what I'm going to do is remove all the drawings at the moment, and there's this W pattern that I recognize. That's going to be your big support moving forward at the moment, right? So from there to there, we're looking for 38.34, 38.2, because that's where you might come and you might hold a little bit of support right at the moment. And if you start to close below this level, then there's a good chance that we're looking to come down to $32.12, right? And that's it for today's Solana video update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.